In today's quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how to change the password for your development store's password protection page. Because usually every new Shopify store in development comes with a default password protection page like the one you see on the screen right here. This page ensures that only those with the password can access the front page of the website. So in this video, I will show you the settings where you can change the password and control access to your website. So first of all, let me log into my dashboard. Now, once it loads, let's click on Online Store, then select Preferences. Once the Preferences section loads, scroll all the way to the bottom and look for this section, Password Protection. And right in here, we can change the password. So as in this example, let me change it to this one. New password 1, and let's save the changes. Now let me open another tab and try accessing the front page of my website. And now let's try typing the new password. Password 1, enter. As you can see, I've successfully accessed the front page of my development store with the updated password. So that's pretty much it for this video. Hope you found this short tip helpful. And for more Shopify tutorials, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.